Hey fellow travelers, here I am going to build a outfeed / assembly table for my table saw here in my little garage shop. So this is my 7¼ inch miter saw. Usually it works really well, however I am doing 4x4 legs and I have to cut them 4 times to get through it. Just on a side note, it has been 104, 105 all week, and my camera keeps shutting off and telling me it's in thermal overload. That's my little Sony. So I'm trying to do this with a GoPro style camera. Doesn't work real well, but oh well. Come here. Come here. This is my little Cobalt folding contractor style table saw. It's time to get something better, but for right now this should do. I've been shopping for table saws at Woodcraft and even Home Depot. Everyone is sold out. They're on back order. Because my miter saw takes 4 cuts to get through these posts, here I am squaring them off so that it's not a mess on the end. So that's what this exercise is all about. This is my new Raycon dust collector with the dust right attachments. I kind of like that for my little garage. It works well. However, I really wished I had enough room for stationary tools and piped in dust collection. Come on. Here it's time to prepare the tabletop. I was going to make this 42 by 48, and since then I've decided to make it 48 by 48. So this wood is going to be used on the divider for the drawers, and maybe even the drawers. I was going to use 1/2-inch plywood. This is a 3/4 inch, a $90 sheet. So this is my makeshift track saw. I just took a 48-inch level, clamped it to the plywood, used it as a straight edge. Works for me. Here I'm preparing to joint the 4x4 legs. That way I can run them through the planer. I'll have a flat surface to make them parallel. I purchased a machinist straight edge, a long one, and it shows this is out. However, with this short one, there's no daylight under there. So, for woodworking, I suppose it's close as you can expect. So I am trying to get this assembly table, outfeed table finished, and it seems to be taking forever. Of course, I do have to work every day. So I'm going to try to joint one face of these legs so I can plane them, because I'm going to be putting drawers in the bottom of this. I want it to be co-planar with each leg, and it's probably overkill, but that's what I want to do. So now I'm going to, I've got to run some errands, but now that that is finished, I'm going to cut the legs to their final length with my table saw, and then we will run them through the planer. Then I can assemble at least get the bottom started, the assembly, and then cut the skirt that's going to go around it, plane it, join it, plane it, and hopefully get some things finished. I want to show you some of the hardware I got yesterday. These are levelers that are going to go on the bottom of the legs. These will let me adjust the height and level them. This is going to be my vise, and that's going to go on the 48-inch end, and we're going to put dog holes in it, bench dogs, and hopefully that helps. Somewhere I have bench casters, that the kind that you push down and it lifts it up, so I'll be able to move this. Don't know where I put them, but we'll find them. This could be them. Hey everyone, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Part 2 is going to be coming up. Till then, we'll see you further on down the trail.